pretty good at night, man. I mean, it's not too dark. I mean, there's light everywhere, but check it out. I don't know why I said check it. Have you ever seen this? We're leaving. Check it. We're leaving. We're about to go hit up Andrew's shop. I think I already told you guys what we're doing there, but it's well needed. It's very well needed. It's 20 minutes away.
It's not far.
It's not far. You can hop in either or you can drive. Good, man. He's got the oval exhaust on it. E85 too. Thing is gorgeous. Dude, that is crazy. Ah, yes. You guys remember this, man. Yeah. Well, it was the last thing we filmed.
Probably whatever was on your GoPro, yeah.
Oh, well, okay, well, I mean, we're trying to figure out where all this came from. It's probably residual from earlier. I mean, it never leaked. Like, this car never leaked at home, in the driveway, in the garage. So I'm thinking it's just residual. Coolant leak, it's somewhere here. We're trying to find it. That is still a mystery, but actually, gotta give shout out to Diamond real quick. We got some products here. We got a nice little 3-inch bed. I don't know if we're gonna need this today, but it's here. The main thing I'm gonna go ahead and install, Andrew is going to install. By the way, Andrew's channel is down below. Make sure to follow him, obviously. Well, that is his. You guys should remember, we were here not too long ago. Follow the man. Andrew, how many subs are we at, bro?
750 something?
All right, we're getting to 1,000.
Hey.
We're getting to 1,000.
Pump
it up, pump it up.
250 if that's not, okay, so get Andrew to 1,000. Man will be stoked. And
we'll burn those tires off. You give me 1,000, tires on the back of the BSKFs, dead. Done. It's got line lock. We'll sit there.
Really?
We'll row gears.
You got line lock?
Yeah.
Is that new?
Yeah.
Wow.
Gender reveal, man.
Is it good? Like, is it is it awesome?
It doesn't move.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, see the little solo next to the strut bar?
Right here?
Yeah.
Wow.
If you want those roasted,
yeah.
you know what to do.
Damn, okay.
You know what to do.
Well, you heard it here first. Like I said, link below. Where was I? We were talking about the resonator, wherever that went. Right over there. You see that thing right there?
My bad.
No, that's a vibrant ultra quiet. Should be great.
Yeah.
I was talking to Andrew. It should be like taking the volume from like an 11 to an 8. There it is. If you guys are wondering, look at how shiny it is. And yeah,
more
it's nice.
importantly, straight through.
Straight through.
That's
so
what's important. It's straight through.
Yes.
Oh yes.
But it muffles the sound.
Wow.
That did do something.
Sound.
Okay.
It helps.
Okay.
They work great.
Okay.
And what's great about the Vibrant stuff, man, is they don't blow out. So like I've run so many different things, MagnaFlow and all these straight through mufflers, and this is the only one I haven't been able to just destroy.
Like, yes.
Like you won't blow the
sounds
packing out of it.
awful.
I mean, even with you doing your two-step stuff, I still haven't blown these
Hang
out.
on, the people want to know, will it still shoot flames with the resonator?
Absolutely.
See, I told them
Absolutely,
that,
no
didn't.
problem.
See,
it's not like it's a catalytic converter.
No,
It's
exactly. And it's straight through, so
it's
just
straight
gonna-
through. It's, yeah, so that's where you start to run into kind of some issues with a lot of these. Is when you shoot fire through them,
It starts to burn the packing.
You burn the packing out of them.
Yes.
So these have this really high quality stainless steel mesh,
Yeah.
and then the packing. So that's what keeps you from blowing your junk out.
That's why you.
Vibrant. I mean, that's. Listen, I've been using their stuff for a very long time. That's
Shout out,
all I really use on my car. I mean, everything that I'm upgrading this year is going to Vibrant stuff.
Yes.
The fabrication components, that's what I do. I'm a fab guy. So you know what? Their stuff makes my life easier. Like this.
Oh, yeah. It's quality.
Yeah, you can just weld to it. You don't have to like get weird
No.
and like super scrub it down.
No.
Like it comes
It's
ready to
go.
weld.
Ready
Just
to go.
send it.
Yes.
It's great.
Can't beat that.
Yeah, like
So yeah.
shameless plug, but it's good stuff.
real, for
like
real.
It's not shameless if it's good, right?
You're right.
Like I don't know.
You're right. You can't be mad at that. Also, oh, here it is. A beautiful 4-inch tower. This is gonna be our new hater pipe. Figure out how this fits. Oh, wait. Okay. So that, and then, oh yeah, mint. And oh, word, it's got actually a bolt hole already here, so we can use that. It's a subtle diffuser, but it's perfect, I think.
It's all right, man.
Before, like, the rear of this car looks
That
so
looks really
tall.
good.
That's what I'm saying, man. It looks nice.
Dude, you could run like no exhaust in this thing. The only thing I'm a little worried about, honestly, is this.
Like the air.
Yeah, you're gonna rip this thing off.
Bro, this diffuser is gonna be money. I can't wait to get this fitted out. Like, the back of the car looks so, like, tall. Not anymore. Come over here, though. A little bit of a life hack if you guys ever need to make a reducer. Check this out. So we got a top of an argon bottle right there. A little welding gas bottle. Press, and there you have it. It should... Oh yeah. It's actually amazing how much it does stretch without tearing. That's pretty good.
It's a lot of pressure.
Is that tons? Is that 8 tons almost?
Yeah, that's
Holy
8 tons.
hell. Damn, bro.
Stainless is serious. It's like really, really tough. Like that's
8 tons of pressure to do that? That's wild.
what? Look at that.
Bro, that is money.
Like it's like
That's almost too good. Cause I mean, as far as I know, reducer pieces are pretty expensive. They're like 30 or 40 bucks, especially when you're doing like a 4 to 3 inch or something along those lines. Oh, it's almost there.
now it's 3 to 4. That's
That
3
is
inch
true.
to 4 inch.
Yeah.
That's
That's
a
a big transition.
That's a big step.
Yeah.
Like normally, like you go to like 3.5.
Right. Yeah. Exactly. That'd be easily doable. But it seems like it's almost there.
Almost there.
A couple more tons of force and a little more lube. Show you guys what we got so far. Got our nice little resi chilling. Down the line we have way more time. I mean, we got so caught up with like the whole issues with the car that we got put way back behind schedule. So unfortunately, we're just trying to get things done as soon as possible. We were gonna possibly do like a dual exit, so twin tip, but for now, this is gonna be more than dope. I'm pretty stoked, so it should kind of help the sound. I think it's gonna be exactly what this car needs. You know, when in doubt, hammer it out, brother. Man, I'm way more stoked than one like should be for an exhaust. Maybe some of you guys kind of understand where I'm coming from, but like that exhaust setup we had on there just like now, I mean, it was so ratty. Like, you see the whole front of the car, you get all the way down the side, like, damn, this is kind of nice, this is nice, you know what I mean? Like, when you come to the back, it's like, what was that, you know? It's like, it's super rusty, it looked out of place, it looked too small. Even though it's a 3-inch, you know, we need that 4-inch, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I'm super stoked. It's gonna come out mad nice, man. Make sure to follow this guy, seriously. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. I mean, that would be absolutely so dope. He works at Haltech. He drifts, you know, goes to Grid Life, shreds with all the homies, you know, knows all the dudes, Hurt Life, all the drift guys. Follow him, man. He'd be stoked. What is that?
This is flux, so you don't have to back purge stems.
Oh. Oh. Gotta show you guys this real quick. I've shown you guys this before, but RB Love, baby. Dope setup, man. RX-7 FC, totally different. Super rad. Damn, bro, this isn't mounted yet, so don't worry about it. Bruh. Come on, that is so clean. Oh, yes. There she blows, ladies and gentlemen. Looking super, oh God, super fresh. Started from right there. Vibrant, ultra quiet, 3-inch resonator, sitting super good. It's nice because it's an oval design, so it kind of adds a good amount of clearance, and then it obviously adds some more packing on the sides. Coming up, we made sure all the clearances were good. I was actually hitting the frame, like the underside of the car, with my exhaust previously, so we sorted that out. Got it going on, stepped up to the 3 to 4 and made our own little, you know, dope ass reducer right there, and then boom, just hater pipe right out the bag. Way more suited, I think, for the car. Like, it looks on camera, on the GoPro, the widescreen makes it look huge. But I mean, considering what was on it, I mean, come on, guys. You see this right here. This is a nice little 3-inch rusty mild steel pipe. Granted, this is all I had when we were building the exhaust. I mean, I made this exhaust like literally within like 12 hours before we left to get the car tuned. So I mean, it worked. It wasn't pretty. It did the job, but we had to go ahead and upgrade a little bit. It's missing the diffuser right now, but once I paint it, yeah, much better. I could just pop the diffuser on and just kind of rock it until I paint it. I might. We'll see. Huge shout out to that guy right there. It's way too late. I got 3 hours of sleep last night and then drove all day, and now here we are. But I'm just super stoked to get it on the ground, fire it up, hear what it sounds like. I'm stoked. It's gonna be loud, but it's maybe like a more mild loud, but still probably.
Oh God! I found that spot that I cut myself on earlier. Ooh.
Get all those fingerprints off. Whew. I don't know why I'm carrying this around. I kind of just want to burn this, honestly.
Oh, it's so much better. Look how big it is.
It's got some girth. Just needs that diffuser, though.
Yeah, it does.
All right, give it to her. She might need a little gas. Oh, wow. Bro, way better.
Wow.
Bro, that made a big difference.
So much better.
way better. Vibrant ultra quiet, man. That's like all you need. We're straight piped apart from that, and we have like 3 feet of 4-inch. Damn, bruh. That's sick.
So much better.
I'm gonna put the diffuser on tomorrow.
Yeah, sick.
I'm gonna have to put it on tomorrow. Even if it's not painted, I really don't care. I'm just gonna put it on.
Good.
At least it's there. It'll kind of fill in that gap a little bit.
Yeah.
Damn, man.
Super aggressive exhaust. Now you need that like aggressive.
Yeah, just
finish.
fill the rest of it out.
Like your little wing is like kind of chill,
Yeah,
but like it's aggressive chill. It's like
I love it.
so close to drag race.
Yeah,
Like if it was out to here,
yeah,
woo.
yeah. That'd be fire. We're gonna actually mold it, so it'll be really clean. Yeah, that's the plan. All right, let's do it. Oh wow, it's just clean, bro. It's clean. Damn, okay. She's still got a bit of anger to her though. Take it slow. These roads are so bad out here, but god damn, it sounds good. Back at the hotel, it's still loud. Like it's still very loud. I will say, but it sounds cleaner tomorrow though for sure, guys. I'm gonna close it out right here for today. The boys are already back here. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna go ahead and I definitely want to get that diffuser put on. At least just, you know, even though it's not painted, just get it on there looking the way it should, because that's kind of what the back end is now missing, is just to fill up the extra space to kind of surround that big old dirty 4-inch pipe. So tomorrow we'll get back into the grind, more parts going down. We're meeting up with Brad, going to Haltech, having a lot of fun, a lot of plans tomorrow too. So I'll see you guys then. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, toss a like. If you guys want to subscribe for more,